Build mental armor that no one can penetrate. Every day, your mind is under attack. Right now, as you watch this video, there are sophisticated psychological operations designed to influence your thoughts, emotions, and decisions without you even realizing it. Politicians are using neuroscience to manipulate your votes. Advertisers are exploiting your deepest insecurities to drive purchases. Social media algorithms are rewiring your brain chemistry to keep you addicted and predictable. But what if I told you that there are people who are completely immune to these attacks? Individuals who can navigate any environment: political rallies, advertising campaigns, social media feeds, peer pressure situations, while maintaining complete mental sovereignty. Their secret isn't intelligence or willpower. It's something far more powerful and learnable. It's called cognitive armor. And it's a systematic approach to protecting your mind that makes you virtually uninfluenceable by external manipulation while enhancing your ability to think clearly, make rational decisions, and maintain emotional stability under any pressure. In the next 25 minutes, I'm going to show you how to build this armor piece by piece. Welcome to VF Growth Tutorials, where we build the psychological defenses that separate truly free minds from those controlled by external influence. I'm here to give you the most comprehensive system ever developed for protecting your mental sovereignty against every form of psychological manipulation. Today we're constructing the ultimate cognitive armor, a multi-layered defense system that protects your thoughts, emotions, and decisions from influence attempts while actually enhancing your mental performance. This isn't about paranoia or isolation. It's about developing such strong psychological foundations that you can engage with any ideas or people while maintaining complete autonomy over your internal experience. If you're ready to become psychologically bulletproof and join the ranks of truly mentally sovereign individuals, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. What you're about to learn represents decades of research in psychology, neuroscience, and influence resistance condensed into practical techniques you can start using immediately. Building cognitive armor begins with developing sophisticated awareness of influence attempts as they're happening in real time. Most people are completely unconscious of the thousands of micro-influences they encounter daily, from the background music in stores designed to slow their walking speed to the specific word choices in news headlines crafted to trigger emotional responses. The foundation of all psychological defense is recognizing when someone is attempting to influence your thinking or behavior. The influence detection system requires training your conscious mind to notice the physiological and emotional changes that occur when you're being targeted by manipulation tactics. When someone uses fear appeals, social proof, authority positioning, or scarcity tactics, your body responds with specific patterns, changes in heart rate, muscle tension, attention focus, and emotional state. Learning to recognize these patterns gives you early warning that your decision-making process is being compromised. Pattern recognition across contexts becomes crucial because the same psychological principles operate whether you're facing a sales presentation, political speech, social media post, or personal conversation. Developing the ability to identify manipulation tactics regardless of their packaging prevents you from being caught off guard by unfamiliar contexts while maintaining the same underlying psychological pressure techniques. The metacognitive awareness that forms the deepest layer of this foundation involves learning to observe your own thinking processes rather than just thinking. This means developing the capacity to notice when your thoughts become more emotional, more certain, more urgent, or more aligned with what someone else wants you to think. This observer consciousness creates psychological distance between you and influence attempts. Building this foundation requires daily practice in influence spotting, treating every interaction with media, advertising, and social communication as an opportunity to strengthen your detection abilities. The goal isn't to become paranoid or suspicious of everyone, but to develop such automatic recognition of influence attempts that your conscious mind has time to evaluate whether the influence serves your authentic interests or someone else's agenda. The second layer of cognitive armor focuses on maintaining emotional equilibrium regardless of the psychological pressure being applied to you. Most influence attempts work by triggering strong emotions that bypass rational thinking, so developing bulletproof emotional regulation makes you immune to the vast majority of manipulation tactics. This layer is about controlling your internal emotional responses rather than trying to control external circumstances. The physiological reset technique provides immediate protection when you notice emotional manipulation attempting to compromise your judgment. This involves specific breathing patterns, muscle relaxation sequences, and attention redirects that activate your parasympathetic nervous system and restore access to higher-order thinking. The key is practicing these techniques until they become automatic responses to emotional activation. Emotional labeling and distancing creates psychological space between you and manipulated emotions by developing the habit of naming emotional states as they arise, and recognizing when they're proportionate to actual circumstances versus artificially amplified by external influence. This practice transforms emotions from overwhelming experiences into informational data that you can evaluate rationally. The cognitive reappraisal system helps you reframe emotionally charged situations in ways that maintain your rational decision-making capacity. Instead of asking, "How does this make me feel?" you learn to ask, "What is this designed to make me feel, and why?" This shift in perspective reveals the mechanical nature of most emotional manipulation and reduces its power over your thinking. Building emotional resilience through controlled exposure involves deliberately practicing emotional regulation in low-stakes situations, so these skills are available when you face high-pressure influence attempts. This might include exposure to mildly challenging content, disagreeable people, or uncomfortable situations while maintaining emotional equilibrium and clear thinking throughout the experience. The third layer of cognitive armor involves developing systematic approaches to processing information that prevent manipulated thinking regardless of how sophisticated or credible the source appears. This layer focuses on the mechanics of how you evaluate claims, evidence, and arguments to ensure your conclusions are based on logical analysis rather than psychological manipulation. The source credibility matrix provides a structured framework for evaluating information based on multiple factors beyond just expertise or authority. This includes analyzing potential conflicts of interest, track records of accuracy, methodological rigor, transparency about limitations, and willingness to acknowledge uncertainty. The goal is developing immune responses to authority-based manipulation while still recognizing genuine expertise. The evidence hierarchy system teaches you to automatically categorize different types of evidence by their reliability and strength, from personal anecdotes and expert opinions at the bottom to well-controlled studies and replicated research at the top. This prevents your thinking from being swayed by impressive-sounding but ultimately weak evidence presented in convincing ways. Logical fallacy recognition becomes an automatic mental process that identifies flawed reasoning patterns regardless of how they're presented. This includes not just obvious fallacies like ad hominem attacks, but subtle logical errors like false dilemmas, correlation-causation confusion, and sampling bias that often appear in sophisticated arguments designed to influence your thinking. The multiple perspective protocol requires you to actively seek out and seriously consider alternative explanations, interpretations, and counter-evidence before reaching conclusions about important topics. This systematic approach to intellectual humility prevents premature closure and makes you resistant to information presented in ways designed to seem obviously correct without genuine analysis. The fourth layer of cognitive armor protects your decision-making processes from influence by ensuring that your choices reflect your authentic values and long-term interests rather than external pressures or manipulated preferences. This layer focuses on developing decision-making systems that remain robust under psychological pressure, while aligning with your genuine goals and principles. The values clarification process involves developing clear, explicit understanding of your core principles and long-term objectives so you can evaluate decisions based on authentic criteria rather than socially imposed standards or emotionally manipulated preferences. This requires honest self-examination to distinguish between values you genuinely hold versus those you've been conditioned to adopt through social pressure. The temporal perspective technique protects against manipulation tactics that create artificial urgency or short-term thinking by systematically considering the long-term consequences of decisions before acting. This includes asking how you'll feel about the decision in a week, a month, and a year, and whether the urgency you feel is based on genuine time constraints or manufactured pressure. The independence verification system involves checking whether your decisions remain consistent when you remove social pressure, emotional manipulation, and immediate consequences. This might mean sleeping on important decisions, discussing them with people who have no stake in the outcome, or imagining how you'd decide if you had to live with the consequences in complete isolation. Decision journaling creates accountability by documenting your decision-making process, including what influences you noticed, what emotions you felt, and what reasoning led to your choices. This practice reveals patterns in how your decisions get influenced and helps you identify which types of manipulation are most effective against your particular psychology. The fifth layer addresses the most powerful and subtle forms of influence: social pressure, peer dynamics, and relationship manipulation. Humans are fundamentally social creatures, and even people with strong individual defenses can be compromised by sophisticated social influence tactics. This layer builds immunity against groupthink, peer pressure, and relationship-based manipulation without requiring social isolation. The social pressure recognition system helps you identify when your thoughts, emotions, or decisions are being shaped by the desire for approval, fear of rejection, or group conformity pressure rather than your authentic judgment. This includes recognizing both explicit social pressure and subtle cues like body language, tone of voice, and group dynamics that influence your psychology below conscious awareness. Boundary maintenance techniques provide practical tools for resisting social influence while maintaining important relationships. This includes scripts for declining requests that don't align with your values, methods for expressing disagreement without damaging relationships, and ways to participate in group activities while maintaining individual autonomy over your thoughts and decisions. The authentic relationship filter helps you distinguish between people who respect your mental autonomy versus those who consistently attempt to influence your thinking, emotions, or decisions for their benefit. This isn't about avoiding all influence, but about recognizing when social relationships become vehicles for psychological manipulation rather than mutual growth and genuine connection. Building influence-resistant social networks involves cultivating relationships with people who value independent thinking, intellectual honesty, and mutual respect for autonomy. These relationships provide social support for maintaining your psychological independence while offering the benefits of community and belonging that humans need for psychological health. The final layer focuses on integrating all defensive systems into a coherent, automatic response pattern that protects your mental sovereignty in real-world conditions without requiring constant conscious effort or creating social isolation. This layer is about making cognitive armor a natural part of your personality rather than a set of techniques you have to remember to use. The daily maintenance routine ensures your cognitive defenses remain sharp through regular practice and self-assessment. This includes daily reflection on influence encounters, periodic testing of your resistance to various manipulation tactics, and continuous refinement of your defensive systems based on new challenges and learning experiences. Environmental design involves structuring your physical and digital environments to support cognitive armor rather than undermine it. This includes curating information sources that promote critical thinking, choosing social environments that support independence, and designing daily routines that strengthen rather than weaken your psychological defenses. The stress test protocol involves deliberately exposing yourself to challenging influence situations in controlled settings to ensure your cognitive armor remains effective under pressure. This might include attending events with strong social pressure, engaging with sophisticated sales presentations, or consuming content designed to be emotionally manipulative while maintaining your psychological independence. Integration with personal growth ensures that developing cognitive armor enhances rather than limits your personal development, relationships, and life satisfaction. The goal is becoming more capable of engaging authentically with the world rather than becoming defensive, paranoid, or isolated. True cognitive armor makes you more open to legitimate influence while being immune to manipulation. Long-term maintenance involves recognizing that influence tactics are constantly evolving and your cognitive armor must evolve with them. This requires ongoing education about new manipulation techniques, regular assessment of your defensive systems, and continuous refinement of your approach based on emerging challenges in the psychological influence landscape. Thank you for investing your time and mental energy in building the most important skill set of the modern age, protecting your mind from manipulation while maintaining openness to genuine growth and learning. Your commitment to mental sovereignty and psychological independence puts you among the rare individuals who refuse to let others control their thinking and decision-making processes. If this comprehensive guide helped you see new ways to protect and strengthen your mind, hit that like button to help more people discover these crucial psychological defense skills. Subscribe to VF Growth Tutorials and ring the notification bell so you never miss strategies that build mental strength and independence. Share this with someone who needs cognitive armor in their life. I'm curious about which layer of cognitive armor you think you need to develop most. Is it recognizing influence attempts, controlling emotional responses, analyzing information critically, making autonomous decisions, resisting social pressure, or integrating everything into daily life? Share your biggest challenge in the comments. Your self-awareness might help others identify their own defensive priorities and focus their development efforts effectively. Your transformation into a mentally sovereign individual with bulletproof psychological defenses is well underway, but there are always new challenges and advanced techniques to master. YouTube is about to recommend the perfect next video to continue building your mental strength and independence. Click anywhere on the screen to keep developing these essential life skills. See you there.